Quick question. Do you have knee issues because of your military service? Yeah, same here. So stick around because in this video, I'm giving you the information you need to get the VA benefits that you deserve. What's up, fellow vets? I'm Clay Houston, former Black Hawk pilot in the U.S. Army Reserve. And in this video, we're discussing some of the key things that you need to know about getting a VA rating for a knee replacement. Let's get into it. Okay, the first thing that we need to go over is what exactly knee replacement means. For this video, knee replacement refers to knee prosthesis or knee resurfacing, which is a partial prosthesis. Knee prosthesis is when worn or damaged bone and cartilage in your knee are removed and replaced with artificial parts. Depending on the condition of your knee, surgeons may replace the entire knee joint or parts of it. If you need a knee replacement, it likely means that you've sustained a serious injury to your knee or that you've lived with an injury for a long time and it's progressively gotten worse. Now, the VA rates knee replacements under Diagnostic Code 5055. The legalese title for this code is Knee Resurfacing or Replacement Prosthesis. You can find this code in the VA's Schedule of Ratings, and this is a long list of every disability the VA rates along with each disability's unique code. You can find this list under Title 38, Part 4 of the Code of Federal Regulations. Now, that list is essentially unreadable unless you've been studying, that subject matter for quite some time, and that's why I'm explaining it to you all in this video. Diagnostic Code 5055 is used for both full and partial knee prosthesis, and it says that knee replacements can be rated at 100%, 60%, or 30%. The 100% rating is a temporary rating that lasts for only 4 months immediately following your knee replacement, and this is known as the evaluation period, and it applies to both a full and partial prosthesis. And after that 4-month period is up, the VA will reevaluate you. If you had a full prosthesis, you could then be awarded a rating upwards of 60%, but that rating is reserved for vets who still have chronic painful motion and weakness in the affected joint after the 4-month evaluation period. Now, here's where things get a little tricky. If you had a full prosthesis and don't have chronic painful motion and weakness in the joint after the 4-month evaluation period, then the VA will evaluate your knee according to diagnostic codes 5256, 5261, or 5262. These are the codes used to rate limited range of motion in the knee as well as instability in the tibia and fibula. Now, a full knee prosthesis has a minimum rating of 30%. So when the VA evaluates your knee after that 4-month period and they use codes 5256, 5261, or 5262, if the rating percentage that they come up with is less than 30%, your rating will default to 30%. And just for fun, here's another layer of complexity. Stick with me. If your knee replacement was anything other than a full prosthesis, aka resurfacing, then after the 4-month evaluation period is over, the VA will automatically rate your knee using diagnostic codes 5256 through 5262. Those are the same ones I mentioned just a little bit ago. And there is no minimum rating for resurfacing. What you get is what you get. All right, those are the primary ways that the VA rates a knee replacement. You could also be eligible for a VA rating for the scars you develop from your surgery. Ratings for scars can range from 10% all the way up to 40%, and they depend on the total area your scars cover in terms of square inches. So just for a frame of reference, a 40% rating for a scar requires 144 square inches, which is a lot more than you're likely to get from a knee replacement. All right, y'all, that concludes this video on VA ratings for a knee replacement. If you like this video, let us know by hitting that thumbs up button and subscribing to the channel. If you have questions or think I missed something, be sure to let us know in the comments. Peace.